Hey guys, this is Jared back on the Building Broke channel. We're just back here at Ethan's house right now. About to work on his MIATA again. Just got the steering knuckle to do. And then we will show you the progress. Hopefully get his car back on the road today. Yeah.
Look, I got a package!
Woo!
Let's get right into the news! Okay. Woo! No, it's the right one. Cause, wait.
A little dirty.
No, it's not. Cause they're not drilled. Well, I'm killing myself. Oh well. Well, I have to use this one. I have to use this one anyways because...
Oh, we're still doing something?
See?
Oh, rip.
It has the placement for them. In the pictures, they were drilled out.
Let's just drill them out.
Well, this one...
I think we could do that, right?
I think it's fine. In a later video, I'll do it.
Well, what screws there?
It's the... Okay, no, so it's this line.
Oh.
Yeah, this connects, and that top bracket should mount right there. So if we wanted to, we could do it. But the one I bought, I don't even know. This won't work. Like, I damaged this one, and the seals are bad, and whatever. Let's do this one. Okay.
There's a big penis over there. Whopping. Oh.
Demonetized.
Well, I mean, if the car dries, it dries, am I right?
Yeah. I feel weird now.
Why?
Because we started the video like that.
You'll be okay.
Okay. Well, we're gonna put this guy on. We might actually pack this guy out a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Oh.
There goes all the horsepower.
Yep. Good. Moment of truth right here. Oh, it doesn't fit. Ooh, this guy's gonna need some force on there.
Doesn't the spline just have to fit? Don't you just have to line up the splines?
Yeah. That's the hard part. That's the
dude.
hard part. So many splines. I might tap this guy on a little bit. It's like weird and going on quickly.
All right, we'll videotape when we get it on.
Oh.
Woo! We just got it off. I swear.
Oh! We just got it on.
Just had to bang her a couple times.
She's kind of tight. Give
Now
her
he's
a
got a
good
nut. Oh. You might be able to drive your car today, dude.
No, I am going to drive my car. I miss my car so much. Okay. So, yeah.
We just gotta tighten that.
yeah, we gotta tighten the nut, but first we're gonna get this puppy all supported and stuff like that. Where's that wire brush? I think it's going in.
Oh, it is. Let's get it. That's so many nuts, dude. What's going on?
Pretty sure that's the right one. Nope, it's definitely not the right one.
Oh, really?
Wait a minute.
Okay,
Well, if it isn't, it fits. Now I just got the big nut for the back of this guy.
Did you lose that?
Huh?
Did you lose that?
Yeah, I have no idea. Oh, it's too hot. Are you flipping, dude? Oh, right there.
That's a good nut.
See, let's go. 19. Damn it. 21. Perfect. Let's go. 14. Weird. So. Perfect. We're good. Nice.
No, just the rotor and the wheel, dude. Oh, it's spindle nut. You gotta tighten the spindle nut.
Yeah. So let's see. So this guy would mount here and mount here. Wow. Where am I supposed to put this? Also.
Caliber.
Caliper. Get on in there. Why? I don't understand why parts fall out so easily, but then it takes them forever to get back in. Jeez, this is probably so boring.
Now we're just trying to get his caliper back on, but can't figure that out, I guess.
Don't be a bitch. My brake pad won't go on.
Oh yeah.
Do you get demonetized for sex noises?
I don't know.
I mean, there's like those sex noises in memes. I think they're fine.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, we'll get back to you guys
We'll get
again.
back to you guys. Right? Yeah, good. Okay, so we are heading over to O'Reilly's. I decided to just get new brake pads, and then I'll just change the other side when I don't know, whenever. The couple of the clips that were on there, they were just struggling to get back into position. So I'm just gonna go get a pair of pads that comes with clips. And then we'll get the rotor back on with the caliper and the pads, and then...
Do you want to get the rotor and then turn it when we get there?
I feel like it's gonna take a little bit.
Okay.
I'll just, yeah. What else? Oh, we're gonna get the axle nut socket and a breaker bar, so we can tighten that one down. And yeah, then we'll head back and we'll tighten everything, and then we'll hopefully drive the MIATA today. Okay, we will see you there. Bye. O'Reilly.
Sponsorship.
Sponsorship. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a gross looking Subaru.
Yeah. Let's take a peek at this guy.
Yeah.
Rip. Someone needs to learn how to build their car.
Henry's peeking his head out. Look at the review. Point it at that. That hoser right there, dude. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. He's wearing maroon pants, dude. Oh no, he's not. It just looks like that.
Look at his little face. Look at his little face. Yeah, look at, yeah. Okay, so we just got done at O'Reilly's. I just got the brake pads and the breaker bar and the socket and some brake cleaner and some grease and stuff. The pads I got though, oh shoot. Pads I got though didn't come with the clips. So that's a problem, but I think we can just use the old ones again. I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, we are on the way back to the house and we're gonna fix the Miata. Okay, so we just got the caliper on. I didn't put the new brake pads on yet. I'm gonna do that when I get like a C-clamp or something to just compress that piston. So I just chucked the old brake pads back on just for now so I can make it to O'Reilly's for when I work or whatever. But right now, we're taking this all apart so we can just torque down. Spindle real quick.
Quick. That was a good click. That should be good. You just cock out yourself, dude.
I know.
That should be good, dude. That's like, your body weight is like 120 pounds. You're already spinning the thing. Gosh.
That was good. Okay.
Never seen a wheel.
Gotta get this guy. I don't actually have a hammer.
What do you need a hammer for?
To dent this. You ever done a spin on that?
No, I haven't. I'm just used to doing that.
That is how you do it. So now that hoe won't come off.
Just use the cotter pins.
Yeah. I love the cotter pins. They're so much easier. Okay, so we're just gonna throw the wheel on. Oh, we gotta fix this guy real quick.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Magnetic.
Sooge. Use a zip tie it somewhere.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with this guy. Okay, well, we're gonna figure out where that goes. We're gonna throw the wheel on, we're gonna drop the car down, and then we'll give her a ride, maybe do a burnout. My lug nuts just don't go on. That would be the worst.
Alright, so we finally got everything put together. And we're finally gonna see if it works. Does that seem right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm pretty sure it's in gear. Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. If it wasn't, I'd be so pissed.
I'm gonna give a couple good ripperinos.
Okay, so we're gonna push start the Miata because it's dead. So here we go. Go, Jared, go. Hard to tell it. Come on, Jared. I know you have it in you. Okay, 3, 2. I got it. We got it. We're good.
So one of the loudest, one of the loudest cars I've ever seen. Ethan's bumper. I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet.
We're just gonna put it on.
Okay, we're just gonna put it on. But basically, we're finished up for this part 2. Got this guy back on.
Part 2, right?
I guess so.
Okay. Part 2 of part 1, which was the control arm stuff and that, and now CV's on, knuckles on, got everything worked out. Should be good to go.
It's working good.
And now we can get started on all of our big plans.
Like a rotary.
Like a rotary.
Ooh, baby.
So, yeah, that's that. So, we will see you guys. We will see you guys in the next video. It might be a little bit.
I think we're gonna start working on my Corvette soon.
Yeah, because. Yeah. No, we'll work on his Corvette. We'll work on his Mustang. Of all these cars. Yeah. It
Nikki
Right
is
there.
thicky. Oh, whoops! There we go.
Nice.
Cool.
But yeah, so. Yeah. We don't have all the stuff we need yet to start like a full-on YouTube career yet. So it might be a while for the next video. But it's coming. And yeah. So we will see you guys in the next one.
Do the thing.